Hello guys, this video is about how to solve a scratchy surface on 2004 to 2006 Mercedes-Benz W203 with steering wheel sport edition. These are the buttons which I removed. They are just free screws from the other side of the steering wheel and one connector. The problematic part is this cover. As you can see on my, it's very scratchy. The problematic material is some kind of very scratchy and a soft cover of the plastic. In time, the result is something like this. So what I found as a solution is to remove of this covering part by using isopropyl alcohol. It takes time, but the result is just this clean, nice plastic, and it's very clean, nice solution. So by remove this cover, you have to unscrew 1, 2, and 3 screws, and the whole thing is separated, and then you can just some towel and use some towel and isopropyl and remove the plastic cover, the scratchy cover. So yeah, this is the result. Thank you, see ya.